So the primer video should have given you an idea of what Newton's first law is, but here's a statement in modern day terms for you. So a body that is in motion will stay in motion, and that is at rest will stay at rest unless an unbalanced force acts on it. So I'll show you one with each of them. So here we have one that's at rest. So we'll draw a free body diagram for it at rest. So to think to ourselves, what forces act on this? Well, gravity always acts on it. So we have a gravitational force, and since it's not falling, it's sitting on a surface, there has to be a normal force on it as well. And we know that these forces should be equal. So these forces are in fact balanced. And we don't have any applied forces here. It's not moving, so there's no friction, there's no attempt to move. So I think this is all we need to have here. So we have a balanced force, which means it will tend to stay at rest, as there is no unbalanced force. And now we have an object here that's in uniform motion, meaning it's going at a constant velocity, so the direction and the speed are going to be constant. So we're assuming no friction in this situation. So there's an object moving, maybe it's ice on ice, right? Something that's going to have this ability for us to assume no friction and could go on forever. And we can draw a free body diagram for this as well. And of course, it's going to have gravity acting on it. And since it's on a surface, it's also going to have normal force. And those are going to be equal or balanced. And even though it's moving here, we don't have anything actually pushing on it. So there's still no applied force. And we're assuming no friction, so there's no other forces to put on here either. So we can see by the free body diagram that we have a balanced force, so this object in motion will tend to stay in motion.